In Maharashtra, India, there stands a temple that defies all logic. The Kailas temple at Ellora was not built from the ground up. It was carved from the top down, out of a single massive rock. Engineers estimate that over 200,000 tons of rock were removed to create this structure. That's more material than the Great Pyramid of Giza. And here's what makes it truly impossible. There are no tool marks anywhere on the temple. The carvings are so precise, so detailed, that modern laser cutting technology would struggle to replicate them. The temple was supposedly built in the 8th century by King Krishna I of the Rashtrakuta dynasty. But here's the mystery. At the rate ancient workers could excavate rock, it would have taken over 100 years of continuous work, 24 hours a day, to complete this temple. Yet historical records suggest it was completed within 18 years. How? Nobody knows. Some researchers believe the builders had access to technology that has been lost to time. The temple features drainage systems, acoustic chambers, and structural engineering that modern architects still study. There are elephant sculptures at the base that appear to hold up the entire structure. The acoustics inside are designed so that a whisper at one end can be heard clearly at the other, across a span of over 200 feet. But the biggest mystery? The Kailas temple is just one of 34 caves at Ellora. And each one demonstrates engineering capabilities that shouldn't have existed in the ancient world. Were our ancestors more advanced than we think? The evidence is literally carved in stone. Subscribe for more temple mysteries that science cannot explain.